Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you a tool I've been extensively testing for a while now. Whenever I show you a product, it's usually a product that I'm researching on my own, and I do not take any other products from other companies. If you like videos like this and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. There'll be a link in the description. This is a pH meter. This does not require reagents, and it does not require calibration. It comes pre-calibrated. I'm going to show you me using it, how easy it is to use. Okay, so here it is, and we have it turned on. What I'm going to do is show you how to test the pH, and hopefully you can see that. You're just going to dip it into the pool right about that far. You do not want to go even to the black circle. That black circle is going to have an O-ring. You just don't want to chance that. And we can see that this pH is 7.3, right? 7.3. So I'm going to raise it. I like to keep my pools at about 7.4 to 7.6. That's how simple it is just dip it into the pool. And what I like about this product is it's very highly accurate. I do not need to use any reagents. The other thing about this product is there's a lot of knockoffs on the market. They look like this, they have the same design, but it's a total different company and have no idea if they even work correctly. This one is highly accurate. I've tested it against the Taylor test kit. All right, so let's just show you once again. Just dip it right close to that black ring. And then there we go, 7.3. So I'm going to raise this pH to get it 7.4 to 7.6. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.